In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an exported subscriber list from ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through the whole process step by step, so even if you're new to ActiveCampaign, you'll be able to follow along easily and get your subscriber data onto your computer in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find and click on the option labeled Contacts. This is where ActiveCampaign keeps all of your subscriber and contact information, and it's also where you'll start the export process. Once you're on the Contacts page, you should see various controls and filters for your contacts. At some point previously, you or someone on your team will have requested an export of a list or segment of contacts. When that export has been generated, ActiveCampaign stores it in a central place, so you can download it at any time. To access that, look for the option labeled Export. This may appear as a button or a link on the Contacts page, usually near the top or in a Tools or Options area. Go ahead and click on Export. After clicking, you'll be taken to the Export Status page. This page shows a list of all the exports that have been requested for your account. Here, you'll see details like the name of the export, when it was requested, and its current status. If the export is still being prepared, you may see it marked as Processing, and you'll need to wait until it's complete. If it's already finished, it will be ready for download. Take a moment to locate the specific export you want. This is especially important if you have multiple exports in the list. Look carefully at the date, time, and any description you used when you created the export so you download the correct file. Once you've found the right export, move across to the Actions or Download column on that same row. You should see a button or link labeled Download. Click on that, and your browser will begin downloading the exported file, usually as a CSV. You can then open this file in a spreadsheet program, share it with your team, or import it into another tool as needed. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly download any exported subscriber list from ActiveCampaign whenever you need it.